Good morning, students. Today we'll do unit number 3, Try Again. As the name of the poem has shown to us that means what is the importance of try again and again. And you have listened to the story King Berus and the spider so many times in the previous classes. So this story has given us the moral lesson regarding try again. If we try again and again, then we'll succeed in our task, in our work, in our life. Okay? And this poem has given us a universal message regarding never ever forgive up. Okay? Never ever give up. And just try again and again, so you will succeed at the last. Okay, because the road to success is dotted with many tempting parking places. So if you should keep up trying again and again to cross this road, definitely you will get the success. Okay, so it is not means a difficult thing or a shameful thing, that it's not a humiliating thing that we are means we are failed in a one task and we will do it again and again. No, if we if we have courage, if we have the urge to move forward and to get the target, so we'll try again and again to get a target. Okay, so we'll do the reading of this poem. So I'll do the first stanza first. Listen to me very carefully. "'Tis a lesson you should heed, try again. If at first you don't succeed it, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear, try again." Okay? Heed means तवज्जा देना. Succeeded means कामयाब. Courage means हौसला. Persevere means determined और साबित कदम. Okay? Conquer फतह करना and fear खौफ. "'Tis a lesson you should heed, try again." ये एक सबक है जिस पर आपको तवज्जो देनी चाहिए. Try again, दोबारा कोशिश करो. If at first you don't succeeded, try again. अगर पहली बार आप कामयाब नहीं होते, दोबारा कोशिश करो. Then your courage should appear. फिर आपकी जुर्रत जाहिर होगी. Appear means जाहिर होना. फिर आपकी जुर्रत या आपका हौसला जाहिर होना चाहिए. For if you will persevere, क्योंकि अगर आप साबित कदम रहेंगे, you will conquer, never fear, तो आप फतह हासिल कर लेंगे. कभी खौफ ज़दा ना हो या कभी खौफ ना खाएं. Try again, दोबारा कोशिश करें. So in this stanza, the poet gives us the lesson or advises us to carry on with our struggle till success. We should face failure courageously, and our determination and patience will be rewarding in the end. Okay? And the second paragraph, stanza once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace, though we did not win the race. What should you do in that case? Try again. So meaning of this difficult word is, prevail means छा जाना, strive means सख्त कोशिश. You can say that work hard, सख्त मेहनत भी. Disgrace means बेइज्जती. Though we did not win the race, win मतलब जीतना. What should you do in that case? Case means इस हालत में या इस मामले में. ओके, मामला. Try again, दोबारा कोशिश करो. Okay, I'll translate it. Once or twice, though you should fail, एक या दो मर्तबा अगरचे तुम नाकाम रहोगे. If you would at last prevail, अगर आखिरकार तुम छा जाओगे या गालिब आ जाओगे, try again, दोबारा कोशिश करो. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. If we strive, अगर हम सख्त कोशिश करें, 'tis no disgrace, इसमें कोई शर्म की बात नहीं. Though we did not win the race, अगरचे हमने दौड़ में जीत हासिल नहीं की. What should you do in that case? फिर तुम्हें इस मामले में क्या करना चाहिए? Try again, दोबारा कोशिश करो. So, in the easy words, we can say that in this stanza, we try to be successful. Failures are natural. It is not a matter of humiliation for us to face a failure. So try again. As a matter of fact, to give up our attempt is a matter of shame for us, as it shows that we lack courage and willpower. So keep your strength with yourself and try again and again, and you will succeed. And the third stanza, if you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view. Try again. Okay. The poet name is W.E. Hickson. So we'll do the translation. Reward means inam. Folk means log. Patience, you already know that. Patience means sabar. Rule, asool. And this word, task, काम. Okay. Now I'll do the translation. If you find your task is hard, अगर आपको अपना काम मुश्किल लगे, try again, दोबारा कोशिश करो. Time will bring you your reward. वक्त आपको आपका इनाम ज़रूर देगा. Try again, दोबारा कोशिश करो. All that other folk can do, वो सब जो बाकी लोग करते हैं, ठीक है, वो सब जो बाकी लोग करते हैं. Why with patience should not you? आप इसे सब्र के साथ क्यों नहीं करते हो? Only keep this rule in view. बस यही असूल अपनी नज़र में रखें या रखो नज़र. व्यू मीन्स नज़र। बस यही असूल अपनी नज़र में रखो, ट्राई अगेन, दोबारा कोशिश करो। सो इफ़ यू फाइंड आवर टास्क टू डिफ़िकल्ट, so it is up to us how we can do the work with patience and try to accomplish your task. So it will be rewarding for you, because if we try again and again, so we'll get the experience to do our work accurately. Okay, so when others around us have achieved the goal for which we are struggling, we can achieve it too. So have a strength and try to do the work according to your expectation, but it is your duty to do your work with hard try. Okay, and don't lose your hope, because if the others can do the work and get the reward, why don't you people? Okay, so this is the poem, and you will get the lesson from this point that if you try again and again, and you will be means you will be succeeded in your task, and you will get your goal. Okay, so please read out the whole poem with translation. Thank you.